Top 10 gadgets you'll be dying to get your hands on in 2022. Looking to make your life easier? In 2022, you'll have a whole slew of new gadgets to choose from, and we can't wait to get our hands on them. Some of these items are so futuristic that you won't be able to buy them just yet, but some are already available in limited quantities. Which ones will you want the most? Read on to see our picks for the top 10 gadgets you'll be dying to get your hands on in 2022. 1. DJI Mini Pro. Each year, DJI's Mini series gets smaller and more powerful, cramming high-end specs into a portable, lightweight drone. Among its advanced features are advanced obstacle avoidance, a rotating lens so that you can shoot portrait or landscape videos, 4K video, and smart flying features like automatic tracking and the ability to follow a subject. In spite of its higher price, this drone feels perfect for beginners, travelers, or anyone looking for a lightweight, high-tech drone. 2. Marshall Acton 3 Speaker. Even though Marshall is most famous for their giant amplifiers on stage, it has also built many wireless speakers in recent years. And now, it has released its third iteration of Acton, Stanmore, and Woburn speakers. The Acton is the least expensive of the three new speakers from Marshall. Like the Stanmore and Woburn, the Acton is designed with a sustainable method of using 70% recycled plastic and vegan materials. 3. Vaha S Fitness Mirror. It's a fact that you could go to the gym. Or the gym could come to you. Which is the idea behind the Vaha S Fitness Mirror, which plays over 850 workout classes, and connects you with personal trainers in real time. The mirror itself features a 32-inch Full HD touchscreen and 30-watt speakers. 4. Therabody Wave Roller. This roller takes the traditional foam roller and adds a lot of technology to it. Using vibration therapy and a wave-like texture, this roller helps to ease your aches and pains. 5. Bang & Olufsen BeoPlay EQ. Wireless earbuds with stems have become increasingly popular since Apple's AirPods debuted, and now B&O has given it a try. They are made from a mix of glass and aluminum and have an IP57 waterproof rating, dust, water, and sound resistance. 6. Samsung M8 Smart Monitor. As a TV and a monitor, it offers Smart TV with Netflix, YouTube, and most streaming platforms, as well as a connection option for laptops, AirPlay for Apple products, and DeX for Samsung smartphones. Additionally, it features built-in speakers, a 4K display, and an added webcam. 7. GoCycle G4 Electric Bike. One of the most notable features of the new GoCycle G4, a high-end electric bike with a stylish, compact frame that you can easily fold and transport. There is a powerful electric motor, and an app which enables remote starting of the bike and will allow you to monitor its progress. It has excellent traction on various surfaces, plus it has various modes, which come in handy in different terrains. 8. Insta360 The new Insta360 RS action camera is one of the more inventive action cameras on the market, capable of recording every terrifying cliff jump, risky dirt bike trail, or gnarly wave while surfing. There are 3 lenses you can use, a 360-degree lens, a wide-angle lens and a 4K action camera that can be easily attached and detached. The battery can also be detached so you can carry the backups between stunts. 9. Logitech Litra Glow. There's not really been any progress in calls and video meetings. Logitech has come up with a new piece of gear, Litra Glow, that will give you that after-hours touch when coworkers are none the wiser that you just crawled out of bed. Sensors on the Litra Glow will monitor and respond to the needs of skin tones in order to provide optimal lighting for both desk work and reading in dimmer conditions. This innovative new desk lamp has also been tested for safety, so you can safely use it for long periods of time. 10. Sony LinkBuds. Sony has always been on the cutting edge of headphone technology, and this time around it is doing something a bit different. The latest pair of headphones feature a hole, by design. Don't worry, no parts are missing. As you listen to your music, you can be more alert to your surroundings and people trying to grab your attention. The device also features clever features such as touch control by tapping the skin beside your ear and volume that matches your location.